So today we're going to try to remove the junction box, this whole section here, which is on the driver's side of the IMA battery. It's called the junction box. First, let's try to remove this and this. And if you'll notice, it's hard to see, but there is a little thing here that you push it in and you can pull, and hopefully that'll work. And the same thing is true of right in here. There's a little flap that you can push in and remove this. So I'm going to try that right now. I'm going to push and pull. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's not. So I released this part, but this part here, maybe there's a push and pull. Yeah, man. I can feel it. Aha. It's kind of hard to get to. You have to reach behind these guys here and push it. Okay. So we removed this part here. And let's try the same thing over here. Okay. Push and pull. Oh man, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. Let's see, maybe there's one over here also. I can feel it, yeah. Okay, push and pull. Oh. That is not coming out as easily. I wonder if it's because of this screw right here. It could be. Okay, but you'll notice there's lots of little screws that screw the junction box in, and we need to access those. So, what should we do next? Okay, I'm gonna play with this while I'm off camera to see if I can figure out how to get it off. The one on the bottom, that I think that's a capacitor. It's in line, or I'm not sure exactly what that is. I'll try to figure that out.
I'm trying to connect.
It came off fairly easy. It just popped off. There were no screws or anything hiding it. This is a little more difficult. I see it's kind of screwed in here and a couple of other places. So I'm gonna make some guesses. I'm gonna start with these screws up here. 1, 2, 3. And then across the bottom, 4, 5, 6, and then, so there's 3 up top, 3 up on the bottom. I need to remove this little gray rubber device. It just pulls right out. This one here, and there's a third one, which is, oh man, it's right up here. You can see it kind of sticking out. Those 3 gray cover, they're actually covers. They cover over 10mm screws that affix the junction board to the battery. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove these. I'm going to remove these now just to, actually, you know what? I like it sort of keeping. I'm going to remove these first, and then I'll come back and remove these and remove them one at a time. I've removed 1, 2, 3 from the top, and they're hard to make out. 1, 2, 3 from the bottom. Now I'm going to remove this guy here. I think you just pull it. I need to walk it out just a bit. Okay. And when you look in there, man, that's dark in there. Let me grab a light here. Aha, there it is. Back in there. I'm going to remove that screw. And then I'll do the same thing with that and with the third one up there. And that's what they look like when they're out. And it's good to kind of note the orientation. The orientation is it's flat on the right, it's flat on the right side in this case, and rounded on the left side. And just remember that.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Check out the help section in your Ultimate Ears app.
Yes. When you replace it. And after that, I should be able to remove the junction box. I'm going to do that off camera. I thought I'd just include this. I found this very handy. So when you're unscrewing the 10 millimeter guy, you can unscrew as long as you like. But when you pull it out, the nut's not there. Enter the magnetic tip. Magnetic tip is going to help you remove the 10 millimeter bolt. Anyway, just thought I'd add that. All right, I have removed the 3 across the top, the 3 across the bottom, and the 3 that are behind rubber stoppers. Now I'm going to try to remove it. Okay. Okay. Well, it looks like I'm not done yet. Looks like there's other screws to be undone. When I find them, I will let you know. Okay, I think I actually have removed all of the bolts that I need to. And now I'm just going to lift away. It's hung up here on the right side. Not sure why it's hung up. Oh, there's a tiny wire, something. I have pulled it away. I need to find out why it is not disengaging. It's definitely over here on the right side. Okay, what do we got going here? Oh, there is here, bring that around here. There is one remaining gray stopper that I did not even see from my angle. I'll remove that. Once I remove that, I'll remove the 10mm screw, and it should pop right off. Thank you. Success. I've removed the junction box. It's right there. There are 4 of these, not 3. This is one. It's got a little spacer right there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the entire back plane of the battery. You can count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Times 2 is 14. Times 3 is 21. Except there's no stick here, so that's 20. 20 times 1.2 is 144 volts. There you go. Sorry, let me back that up. 20 times 6, because each one of these 6 sticks is 6, times 1.2 is 144 volts. Okay, and here's the junction box. And I really only needed to remove the bottom plate here. I did not need to remove this top plate, although it is possible if you want to service the switch, but I didn't need to remove it. Okay, thank you.